Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP, and just want to share a really interesting one with you today. One of our members has written in to say that TAP has really helped them out. It was on one of these identical vehicles, so we're looking at a 2015 Mitsubishi ASX with the 2-litre petrol engine in it, and it came in with a complaint that the radio had stopped working, headlights randomly turning on and off, and doors taking a long time to lock and unlock in this particular one. So again, carried out a diagnostic sequence, checked light, checked all sorts of things, but eventually they consulted the TAP website and bingo, they found the problem. And lo and behold, we have done another one of these containing to a Mazda 3 with a similar issue, but in the end it ends up being a blown glove box light globe. So once that globe blows, it then triggers a train reaction of weird things going on. So they replaced the actual glove box light globe with the 1.2 watt T5 wedge globe, and away it ends. So then that solved the particular problem. So in addition there, TAP saves us a long-winded and probably fruitless diagnostic process on this one, worth every cent of membership. Thank you everyone for the contribution. So again, with these sorts of quirky sort of problems, and that was a big thank you from one of our members that really has helped them out. So if you get these sort of quirky problems in your workshop, don't forget to consult the TAP website to make sure that there's nothing there that's going to be able to help you out. In this particular case, save the member priceless amount of time and money and finding their actual problem out real quick. So if you are a member, make sure you're utilising the website for all the technical assistance, for the repair solutions, for the good scope scan data, etc. And if you're not a member and you'd like to access all that information, including our AI Tech Tina and Tech Tony, again, go to tap.net.au and click on the sign up now button. See you next time.